Can you boil water without heat? Have you ever wondered if it's possible to boil water without using heat? It sounds like a trick question, but science has the answer, and it might surprise you. Let's dive into the fascinating world of physics and chemistry to uncover the truth. What does boiling mean? Before we get to the how, let's understand what boiling really means. Boiling occurs when a liquid's vapor pressure equals the atmospheric pressure. At this point, bubbles of vapor form throughout the liquid and rise to the surface. For water, this usually happens at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit at sea level. But what if we told you there's another way to reach this state? The role of pressure. To boil water without heat, we can manipulate pressure. Atmospheric pressure, or the weight of air above us, has a significant impact on boiling points. Under normal conditions at sea level, the atmospheric pressure is about 1 atmosphere. However, if we reduce the pressure, the boiling point of water drops. At high altitudes, for example, water boils at lower temperatures due to reduced atmospheric pressure. But what happens in extreme low pressure conditions? Let's find out. Boiling water in a vacuum. Using a vacuum pump, we can drastically lower the pressure around the water. As the pressure drops, the water's boiling point decreases. Eventually, the water will boil at room temperature or even lower. This phenomenon occurs because reducing pressure makes it easier for water molecules to escape into the air as vapor. The lower the pressure, the less energy, or heat, the water needs to boil. Real-life applications. This principle isn't just a lab experiment. It has real-world applications. For example, freeze-drying uses low-pressure environments to remove moisture from food without applying heat, preserving its flavor and nutrients. At high altitudes, chefs must adjust cooking times because water boils at a lower temperature. And in certain industrial processes, vacuum systems are used to boil liquids efficiently. The science behind the magic. So, what's happening at the molecular level? At normal pressure, water molecules need heat to gain enough energy to break free from the liquid and form vapor. When pressure is reduced, molecules require much less energy to escape. This is why water can boil without heat in a vacuum. Could this happen naturally? In natural settings, this concept comes into play in extreme environments. For instance, at the summit of Mount Everest, where atmospheric pressure is only about 1/3 of sea level, water boils at just 70 degrees Celsius or 158 degrees Fahrenheit. In deep space, where pressure is nearly non-existent, water exposed to the vacuum would instantly boil, even if it's freezing cold. The big takeaway. So, can you boil water without heat? Absolutely. By reducing the pressure around the water, you can achieve boiling without ever turning up the heat. It's a testament to how our world operates under the intricate rules of physics and chemistry. Next time someone asks if you can boil water without heat, you'll know the answer. Science is full of surprises, and this is just one of them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations of everyday phenomena.